Securing a local phone number for your communication needs is a breeze with Twilio, granting your presence a familiar touch. First, go to console.twilio.com and log in from your dashboard. Find phone numbers in the left navigation pane. Click Phone Numbers, then Manage, and finally buy a number to open the purchasing interface. Select your desired country, then filter by capabilities like voice, SMS, or MMS based on your requirements. To ensure you get a local number, select Local under the type filter. This will show numbers with geographical area codes. Next, enter an area code or region in the search bar. Twilio will display available local numbers, including their monthly costs. Review the list of numbers, choose the best fit for your needs, and budget from the available options. Once you've chosen, click the Buy button next to your preferred number. A confirmation prompt will then appear. Confirm your purchase by clicking Buy Number in the pop-up. Your new local number will be instantly provisioned. Congratulations! Your local Twilio number is now active and ready for use. Find it listed under Active Numbers in your console. Twilio makes obtaining a local presence straightforward and efficient. Start connecting locally today.